Planning a home renovation? Before you start, have your home tested for asbestos by a professional. Asbestos was used in a variety of building materials in some homes built before 1990. If you disturb materials containing asbestos, fibers can get into the air. Materials can include tiles, plaster, insulation, and more. Breathing in asbestos fibers can pose a serious health risk, including cancer and other illnesses. If asbestos is found in your home, always hire a professional who is qualified to manage or remove it. Never disturb or try to remove asbestos yourself. For more information, visit canada.ca/healthyhome. A message from the Government of Canada.